Welcome to my curly clip-in series, The Braid Out, part 1, installing these clip-ins. So if you stay tuned, you can see just how natural and beautiful we can slay some clip-ins. So I hope you keep on watching. The hair I will be using are my Better Length hair clip-ins. They are 3B, 3C, and 20 inches. But all the hair information will be down below. I have not worn them in a little while, so that's why they're looking like that. But I'm just about to show you what we're going to do with these clip-ins. I am taking out some protective style braids that I had for under my wigs. Just going to go ahead and take those out. My hair is not dirty. I do have a little build up in the front of my hairline, but that's nothing to worry about because I'm just going to wipe that out because this hair is still fresh. Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest? Once I get those braids taken out, I just want to show you guys what I'm working with. This is my hair in kind of like, I guess, a blown out state, but I'm just gonna give you a quick little 360. I will be installing these clip-ins in between my hair, and I have not done this in like 2 years, so I'm very excited. So I'm just gonna make sure my hair is detangled so it'll be easily manageable as I install these clip-ins. Here is a look at one of my clip-ins. I think this is one of the 3 clip wefts, but you guys can see how defined the curls still are even when I keep them in the packaging. You can easily detangle using your fingers, which is what I did with some of them, but I also show you guys how I brushed them out as well, so keep on watching. So I did just want to come to you guys very quickly for actual real-time talk through just to explain what I'm going to be doing. I have not done clip-ins with my real hair out since, well, since that video. So my hair has grown a bit and I do want to try kind of like a natural style with these clip-ins. I'm gonna attempt to braid out with some curly ends. I'm gonna wear it in a braid out style for like a day or two and then I'm gonna take it out. So part 1 is me, you know, getting this hair ready. We're going to install these clip-ins, but you guys gotta catch part 2. So stay tuned on this curly clip-in series, braid out edition, because I'm about to try something. I am working with my Better Length hair clip-ins. They are in a great state. I love them. I do have 2 5-clip wefts, 2 4-clip wefts, 2 3-clip wefts, 2 long 2-clip wefts, and my other short 2-clip wefts, I've actually trimmed them so they're actually 4 1-pieces. This is what those look like. It's okay to cut your clip-ins, but I do have my full 10 clip-ins that came with the set. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need all 10 because my hair is thick. We're gonna see how this is gonna work out, but for the most part, I do have all 10, but let's see if I have to use them. But at this point, doesn't need me talking. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I will be installing, and I'll come back to you guys once they're installed. Notice how I left a good bit of hair in the front. I do not install my clip-ins directly close to my hairline because that kind of helps give the natural look. So you guys will see as I'm playing in this hair, moving it around, I have a seamless coverage. Like you cannot tell where these clip-ins start or stop. And look at this ponytail. Look at this ponytail. It is so beautiful. I did add some color in this set a while back, so there is a previous video on my channel if you guys wanted to see that, but I just feel like it's just the perfect amount of this could really be my hair. Like, I love the color, I love the fullness, and I love how my hair is blending. Yes, my hair is a little bit darker than these clip-ins, but as you guys can see, it still blends in, and I'm totally loving it. I'm totally loving it. So much more convenient than eye-tips and micro links. I installed it way quicker and it's less hassle. I kind of want to see the coverage on this hair, so I'm just going to be putting it up in a ponytail just to see how the back is looking, and I will show you guys that once I put it in a bun. Like, oh my god, y'all, it's so thick, but I love it. The thicker the better, baby. But just look at my facial expression. I'm just in awe right now because it's beautiful. This is the back. The way that I installed these clip-ins is giving very much versatile. Like, I can do flip over method, I can do a middle part, I can do a ponytail, I can wear it curly. Like, it's giving. It's beautiful. So as you guys can see, we are all installed. So if you would like to see this hair styled, you have to stay tuned for part 2. So I hope to see you guys there. Bye, beauties.